My name is Mike Perrone. I'm an Associate Director of Process Development Analytics, which is one of the main subgroups of the Preclinical Manufacturing and Process Development Department. I had just graduated from Rutgers University with a bachelor's in biochemical engineering. I was actually filleting fish for work after I graduated school and just trying to figure things out. I think my interview was sometime in February 2004, and thankfully got a job in March 2004 and put down the fish. I was working in purification development, which was kind of a mixed bag of purification and analytical method development. It was maybe about a year into the role or so, my manager and I decided, we need to start a kind of an in-house analytical group. And it was kind of a grassroots effort. And 18 years almost has passed by, and here we are with a fully functional core group of PMPD. Our business is in developing ways to measure things. So if PMPD's mission is to design and develop all of the manufacturing processes that makes Regeneron's drugs, that amounts to many, many experiments that require many, many different kinds of measurements. Measuring how much drug we're actually making and optimizing towards that, or the quality of the drugs that we're making and optimizing towards product quality. So my team specializes in just that, developing those methods to measure whatever attributes we need to measure in order to help process developers kind of go in the direction that they need to go and take the process. What sets my team apart is one of our primary focuses is high throughput. So our methods need to be fast as much as they need to be accurate and reliable. Automation is incredibly important in what we do. Liquid handlers are one example of a way to automate many of the processes that we run in my lab. They're robots that move liquids around and move samples around, which is what we have to do every single day on the order of thousands of samples in a month. My lab has specialized in developing automated solutions to our workflows so that we can have robots and teach robots to actually do kind of the repetitive work that, our very bright engineers and scientists would otherwise have to do manually, so that they can then focus their time on innovation, thinking about the next best thing. If you're fortunate enough to be hired into PMPD, the opportunity is there for you to find. PMPD and Regeneron as a whole nurtures an environment that is to empower everybody who works within it. So we don't tell people how to do things. We actually kind of expect that people will figure out their own paths and know that the resources that are available to them are all around them. When I look at a resume, the things that I like to see the most is when people write down in the resume work experience that's not relevant to the position they're applying for. I like to see that people have gotten their hands dirty and have gone out there and tried different lines of work, just hustled a little bit. I've always been incredibly grateful of the team that I have. I am humbled and privileged to have the engineers on my staff that I do. It sounds cliche, but I really do learn every day around them.